In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks Online, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized account that's ready for real business use, not just a test drive. Let's start with creating your account and setting up your company profile. When you first sign up, you'll be asked for an email to create your QuickBooks login. Use an email you check often, since this is where you'll get important notifications. Once you're in, QuickBooks will walk you through entering your basic business information. Type in your legal business name exactly as it appears on official documents, choose your business type, and then select your industry from the list provided. This helps QuickBooks suggest the right settings and accounts for your kind of work. As you go, you'll see a few simple questions about how your business operates. Answer these as accurately as you can. They're there to tailor the software to your needs, not to trick you. Next, let's connect your bank and credit card accounts. On the Banking or Transactions page, choose the option to link an account. Log in securely with your bank credentials, then decide which accounts you actually want to sync. It's important to keep business and personal activities separate, so take a moment to uncheck any personal accounts. Only connect the accounts that you use for business. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically start importing your recent transactions, which saves you a huge amount of manual data entry later on. Now it's time to set up your accounting and tax information. Start by reviewing your chart of accounts, which is simply the list of categories QuickBooks uses to organize your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. QuickBooks gives you a default list based on your industry, but you can rename, add, or deactivate accounts so they match how you think about your business. You don't have to perfect this on day one. You can refine it as you go. If you charge sales tax, head over to the Taxes section and follow the prompts to add your tax agencies, rates, and filing frequency. Setting this up correctly now will make invoicing and filing much easier later. While you're there, you can also enable payments so customers can pay invoices by card or other supported methods directly through QuickBooks, which can speed up how quickly you get paid. Finally, customize your workspace so it feels like your system. Update your invoice and sales form templates with your logo, business details, and any standard messages you want to appear. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of income, expenses, and other key numbers. If you have a bookkeeper or team members, you can invite them as users and assign appropriate access levels. And when you're ready, run a few basic reports like profit and loss or balance sheet to start understanding your financial picture and confirm that everything looks right.